The 2018 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, keyless start, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, passenger airbag, power windows, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.